In this video, I will show you how to take scrolling screenshot in Windows 11 for completely free. So let's get started. To take a scrolling screenshot, we are going to use Chrome extension. This extension is free to use. This extension also has premium plans, but if you are looking to take scrolling screenshot for unlimited times, then free option is for you. This method works on Windows 10, Windows 11 and Mac OS as long as you are using Chrome browser for taking scrolling screenshot. First open Chrome browser on your PC and search for Chrome Store. So click on the first link, Chrome Web Store, having the address chromewebstore.google.com. In the search bar at the top, enter Go Full Page. So this is the extension that I am talking about. This has 4.9 star and 75,000 ratings. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Now this will download and install the extension to your Chrome browser. Just wait for a couple of seconds and this has installed Go Full Page and this has installed Go Full Page extension to the Chrome browser. Now click on this plugins icon and pin Go Full Page extension for easy accessibility. So now this is the extension that we are going to use to take the scrolling screenshot. Now open any web page of which you wish to take a scrolling screenshot. Let's open Apple website. As you can see, the web page is pretty long. And to take a scrolling screenshot of this web page, just click on the extension Go Full Page that we just installed. Now it's taking scrolling screenshot and now it has captured the entire screenshot of the web page. Now we have two options to download this screenshot. The first one is download PDF and download image in the PNG format. You can use any of the option as per your needs. If you click on settings option, then there is an option to change the image format to PNG and JPG. There are some settings available for PDF formats as well. You can also specify the directory for download folders, as well as there are some other settings that you can check out. Now let's click on the download image icon. Click allow and now this has downloaded the screenshot. Let's open the screenshot to check. And as you can see, we have now scrolling screenshot of the web page. So that is how you can take scrolling screenshot in Windows 11 for completely free. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.